change expenditure, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, the Marcos Jr. administration will allocate 1.01 trillion pesos for the climate change expenditures for 2025. This is 562.29 billion increase compared to the 2024 budget for climate change expenditure. So mula po sa 457.41 billion ngayon, nag-increase 562.29 billion. So kaya 1.01 trillion. 779.38 billion of the total 1 trillion climate change expenditure will go to DPWH. Now, Madam Speaker, ano po yung explanation? Bakit lumaki ng ganito yung climate change expenditure? Madam Speaker.